Good morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to show you another keto recipe. This one's pretty simple, and it's not strict keto by any means, but I'm going to fix my version of a taco salad. I've got 1.5 pounds of ground chuck in here. That's 80-20 ground beef or whatever, but it's ground chuck. I have that in my frying pan, and I'm frying it up. And let me show you this. It says this is how to cut carbs. This is my little spatula thing, and on the back it's got, let's see. Yeah, you can see it's got all the measurements or whatever on there for you. And so I'm gonna cook this, and then I know that I need to make my own taco seasoning mix. But before I went on keto, I just had bought this 6.25 ounce container. Let me see if I can get it back. A 6.25 ounce container of taco seasoning mix, and it has on the back, let's see if you can see it there, 3 grams of carbs for 2 teaspoons. It says dietary fiber less than 1 gram. Well, we'll just take it as 1 gram, and we'll take this as 2 grams of carbs for each 2 teaspoons, and I'm gonna put probably about a tablespoon and a half of this in here. So a tablespoon is 3 teaspoons. So I don't know. And that's for the whole thing. And of course, you know, the other things that I put on there, I mean, I'm not good at doing the macros or the carb count for this stuff. So after I get it all finished and put together, if y'all want to figure up the macros and put it down in the comment section, I would really be grateful, because I'm not, a lot of things that I'm using Carb Manager as my list for my foods that I'm eating, and I've got it set to where it's I should eat no more than 20 grams of carbs a day. And some of the foods that I fixed may not be in there, so I'm not even sure. I fixed what was it? Oh, I fixed the fried chicken breast tenders the other day, and I just put down the breast tenders, the macros for that, and then I put down the almond flour, the macros for that, and then something, okay, and then I used something else, fixed something else, and I fixed onions in it, so I put like 1/4 of a onion and used the macros for that. So I mean, I'll never get all this straightened out, but so far I'm trying to keep as low as I can, and I'll probably overestimate on some of the carbs or whatever, but we're gonna say this is what I eat today will probably be 7 grams of carbs off of this taco salad. I don't know, we'll just have to wait and see. But anyway, what I'm going to do now is fry up this hamburger, and then I'm going to add, like I said, a tablespoon and a half of this taco seasoning mix, and then I'll bring you back and show you what else I'm going to do. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so here's my salad. I'm making a taco salad. You can't have beans, you can't have corn, you can't have the Doritos or tortilla chips that you put underneath it, but you can have salad. So I've got, on the bottom, I've got spinach, a pile of spinach. And then right here I've got a romaine lettuce blend on the top. And I'm going to put some of the taco meat on top of here. And make a big mess because that's just what I do. Alright, and if anybody does feel like doing the macros for this, please feel welcome to do it. Alright, so I'm just putting a pile of the taco meat on here. And then I'm going to put some cheese on top of that. And I've got my I had a block of sharp cheddar cheese, and I did it in my food processor. And I'm just putting that on top of the taco meat. And I've got some tomato right here. And I have alright, I have to put one away. Some tomato. This was a half of a large tomato that I cut up, and I'm not even using a fourth of it. So, and then I have a avocado, a whole avocado, but I'm just going to use a fourth of that. I'm going to put that right there. I have one of these little things of olives, the olive cups to go. I'm going to use that. Alright. And I have this Great Value Thick and Chunky Salsa. And it is 1 gram of carbs for 2 tablespoons. Alright, and I'm going to put some of that, 2 tablespoons of that on here. Alright, and this is medium. And then I have some, well, what did I do? Oh, here it is. I have some sour cream. And I'm going to put a dollop of Daisy on here. And this is my taco salad. Let me show you. Doesn't that look amazing? This is my lunch for today, because I am extremely hungry this morning. I don't know why. I haven't been hungry for days, but now all of a sudden I am hungry. So I'm going to take a picture of this, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Dummy me took the picture of the salad, and then I was so hungry I started eating. So I'm almost finished eating now. I'm full. But I just wanted to tell you that I'm figuring the carbs in this as right around 7. I used a fourth of the ground beef mixture, and so there was 6 grams of carbs from the taco seasoning in that, and I don't think the ground beef has any carbs in it, if I'm thinking right. So anyway, by the time I go around everything that's on here, the cheese, the tomatoes, the spinach, and the romaine lettuce, and all this, I'm figuring around 7 grams of carbs for this big plate of taco salad. So that's not bad, because this will keep me full the rest of the day, and I'll probably want want anything tonight, but maybe some pork skins or something like that. If I eat a big lunch, I usually don't eat dinner except, just a snack of my pork skins or some of I've got these little, I think it's Jack Link's tender bites, jerky, and they are really, really good, and I love them. So that's usually what I eat at night. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, share this with your family, your friends on Facebook, anywhere that you would like to share this. Please share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also to different things that you can purchase from Amazon that I may use in my kitchen. And I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.